Exporting credit card credits from QuickBooks Online can take time, especially when you need to review vendor refunds, purchase returns, credit card adjustments, or statement credits for reporting and reconciliation. Instead of exporting a basic report with limited control, SaasAnt Transactions lets you export credit card credit data in bulk using advanced filters like date range, amount, reference number, and saved or custom templates. In this video, I'll show you how to export credit card credits from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now, log in to SaasAnt Transactions. Go to Export Data and click Let's Export. Select as Credit Card Credits. Next, choose the date type. Here, I'm selecting Search by Transaction Date. Now, choose the date range for the credit card credits you want to export. Select the saved template you want to use. For this example, I'm choosing Simple Mapping. You can also click Add New Template to create a custom template with your desired fields. If needed, you can use the advanced options to filter by total amount, starting record, reference number, or detailed report multi-lines. Once the filters are set, click Search. SaasAnt will now fetch the matching credit card credit records from QuickBooks Online. Review the records in the grid. You can check details like reference number, bank or credit card account, payee, payment date, memo, expense account, and expense description. To change the filters, click Update Filter. Select the records you want to export. Now, choose the download format. You can export the data as a CSV file or Excel file. Click Download. SaasAnt will download the selected credit card credit data from QuickBooks Online. That's how you can bulk export credit card credits from QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt Transactions.